Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to Blogging Good Food, your go to source for culinary delights. Today, we are diving into the world of grilled fish recipes, tried and tasted best dishes that will tantalize your taste buds. Let's kick off our grilled fish adventure with the seafood superstar, grilled salmon. It's all about bringing out the rich, smoky flavor. Join us as we explore some mouth-watering grilled salmon recipes that have stood the test of time, perfectly cooked every time. For those looking for a fusion of flavors, dive into the world of grilled salmon tacos, a delightful blend of fresh and smoky. Our seafood adventure doesn't stop at salmon. Explore a variety of grilled seafood dishes that will satisfy your cravings. Get ready to indulge in the succulent goodness of grilled shrimp. These dishes are perfect for quick and delicious meals. Grilled fish offers endless possibilities. Let's explore some creative and unique grilled fish recipes that will impress your guests. Mix things with a grilled fish medley that combines various fish varieties and flavors on the grill. Elevate your grilled fish experience with a variety of seasoning and marinades. Discover the perfect balance of flavors. Impress your guests with delightful grilled seafood appetizer that will kickstart your meal in style. Elevate your appetizer game with these grilled seafood delights that are tasty as they are impressive. Ready to try something new? Explore grilled fish recipes with a unique twist that will keep your taste buds intrigued. Dive into the world of grilled fish fusion, where traditional flavors meet unexpected ingredients for a delightful surprise. You have it, a journey through tried and tasted grilled fish recipes that will elevate your dining experience. Be sure to visit blogginggoodfood.com for the full recipes and more culinary inspiration. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering content. Until next time, keep those grills sizzling and your taste buds dancing.